Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use the BCC feature in Gmail, also known as the blind carbon copy. This is perfect for keeping your recipient's email addresses private, especially when you're sending bulk messages. First, open your preferred browser and head to mail.google.com. Once you're signed in, you will land on your main inbox page. Now, to begin, click the Compose button at the top left corner of your screen. This opens up a new message window where you can draft your email. At the top of the new message, you'll see the usual to and the subject fields, but what we are interested in this is the small link labeled BCC is located just next to the to field. Go ahead and click on BCC. A new field will now appear below. This is where you enter the email addresses of the people you want to include privately. You can add as many addresses as needed, just separate them with commas. None of these recipients will be able to see each other's email which helps maintain confidentiality. Next, complete your email by adding a subject line and typing out your message. Make sure your content is clear and polite and suit all recipients. Before sending, review your email for errors and double check the addresses in the BCC field. Once everything looks good, click send, and just like that, you have used the BCC feature successfully. Remember, you can use the BCC when sending job applications, newsletters, or announcements to avoid reply or chaos and maintain professionalism. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.